What's up, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time and walk you through a trade we caught this morning during the live. But first, I want to invite everyone to my free live stream here on YouTube. Starts around 9:15 a.m. ET. Good vibes, amazing community. We'd love to have you with us. Let's get with the recap. So this is opening 5-minute candle. We have the 15-minute range in here. We did not get an orb entry, but one thing I really liked after I seen, the first 20, 30 minutes form here, I told everyone, I said, okay, we've pushed down. If we pull back, right, there was two things I was watching, either a bounce at Asia low, which it worked, but it didn't give me confirmation for an entry, or a reject back around this pre-market low for shorts. And this trade gave us confirmation. We pushed down, a nice green candle pushed back up towards this, where I'm looking to enter shorts at this key level. Want to control pre-market low, 50% retracement area, and lower volume. So look great here. This was the candle I took my entry. Once we broke above, coming back down, that's where I went short. I set my stop right above this previous day low area. You can see the trade went from 40s down to like 560-ish. Very nice trade to start the week. I got one trim off. I moved my stop down to my entry, and this candle here stopped me out of the remainder of my position. Green trade regardless. Trying to think if I left anything out. If so, drop your questions in the comments or bring them to live in the morning. I will definitely make time to answer them there. That's it. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.